Today we are going to see the third exercise in lesson 5. Tronez aisément donner une seule phrase. Join the given element in one single sentence. Use a subjunctive. Subjunctive sentence you have to use. Être de decir. Two separate sentences you are having. Everything is in order. I desire. It talks about desire for reference or wish. That will become your starting expressions, and this part will go to the right side. This will be the beginning. In the expression at the beginning, this here will be beginning, and tooth rug it will become right side. So here they decir que. So this que, if you write que, it become an expressions. Tooth dash and agre. Tooth agre. Gay is the etre is placed after the expressions that talks about desire. It's placed after the expression. It conjugated should be in subjunctive tense. So A3 is a irregular subjunctive list. So the subject is third person singular. So it is IL rule, and the special subjunctive conjugation is SOIT. So like this you can write, I desire that everything is in order. Second one, il sait les réponses le veut. Je veux is the starting expressions. It should end with que. Je veux que il sait dash les réponses. That verb should comes in subjunctive. That savoir should be conjugated in subjunctive bit because it is placed after the expressions. Il, according to the il, you must write. And shower is the special subjunctive conjugation. It should be in SACHE. And third one, Anishisha show amis amis, les parents ne permettent pas. That bracket word you must write it in the starting expressions, and remaining Anishore avec ses amis should comes in the right side. So, ses parents ne permettent pas que. So, her parents is not allowing that, and Anusha dash with her friends. It is go out with her friends. So, after the expressions, a word so will comes there. That verb should be in subjunctive. Let goes with the general rule. SORT for it is the form. Anusha is the third person, so I have to add E at the end. Okay. Stem is in blue color and ending is in red. Okay. Subjunctive ending is E. So you must sure that subjunctive conjugations, you must see the grammar video I already sent you. That is revised properly. Afterwards you go through the exercise, then only it is easy because this lesson fully is covered subjunctive. Fourth one, notre liste fait contre la voiture prodement nous voulons. That nous voulons after que, that is the expressions, and this part no fish conduit a voiture. That conduit is the verb. That verb you must drive the car carefully. So that conduit should comes in the after the expressions that wish. That conduit should be in subjunctive. So it is a ILS form of the present tense of conduit is CONDUIESENT and remove ENT, and here subject is ill, so I have to ending is E. Okay. The translation, see here, we wish that our son drive the car carefully. Our son is drive the car carefully. Les enfants ont peur, le maître ne veut pas. The children are freezed, the teachers does not want wish. The children wants free, the teachers does not wish. So, le maître ne veut pas que. This part will be in the right side, and here the verb avoir should be placed after the expressions is in subjunctive. Avoir is the irregular verb that so one thing you remember here, all the three or verbs are irregular. You must concentrate that irregular verb also. Irregular concept you must see, and our ending is AIENT. The teachers does not wish that the children might have fear. Okay, I hope you understand this exercise. Revise this video. Thank you.